again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that the weather is getting so chilly outside, there's nothing I love more than drinking something warm and comforting, especially in the afternoons. Now, if you're the same way, you must try this instant peppermint white hot chocolate. It's made using only 3 all-natural ingredients and doesn't taste anything like that artificial powder. So let's get started. Grab your favorite mug because it's time to make one of the best drinks ever. You'll need to start off by warming up some milk, either in your microwave or stovetop. You're then gonna fill that hot milk into your cup and you'll need to steep 1 peppermint tea bag. Allow it to steep for a good 3 to 4 minutes to release all of that soothing peppermint goodness. And if you guys are new here on my channel, I post quick and easy recipes weekly. They always have a unique twist to them, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now, after that tea bag's all finished infusing into that milk, you're gonna remove the tea bag and finish up this recipe with about 2 ounces of white chocolate chips. This could more than certainly be substituted for milk chocolate or dark chocolate chips. It's completely up to you, and adjust the amount of chocolate to however much sweetness you prefer. This drink is absolutely heavenly, you guys. It was crazy how my whole kitchen smelled like peppermint just from this 1 tea bag. It was just so soothing. Now, to really jazz this hot chocolate up, I'm of course going to be topping it with some whipped cream. And since it is getting close to the holidays, it's very easy to find some candy canes right now and all of those cute little holiday peppermints, making this not only the perfect Christmas party drink, but everybody's favorite drink, period. To really top this off though, try adding extra coffee and life just doesn't get any better.